G'day everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you guessed that noise correctly, you're a better mechanic than what I am, even though I'm not a mechanic, because originally I thought that was something to do with the serpentine belt or one of the pulleys down there, but clearly it wasn't. Then I thought it might have been an intercooler, but clearly it wasn't, and I finally diagnosed it down to a faulty intercooler pipe, which I really didn't think it was that at the start, but then after a little bit more digging in and fiddling around a bit, I noticed that it was the intercooler pump. Bit of an unusual noise, but I'm going to fix it now. It's simple and easy fix, should take no more than 5 minutes. I could take this car to the dealership right now and get them to fix it, but that means I'd probably lose the car for a day or two and not knowing if they have the parts. So I went down to my auto barn, got myself a new pipe for 129 bucks. They had it in stock, and I'm going to fit it and change it over and see if that fixes it. Here is the pipe, so just keep in mind we had 0 fault codes and 0 limp mode. All it was doing is just that noise at about 2000 RPM and nothing else. Nice big split right underneath the rubber covering right there. One other thing I want to mention, I have been doing a fair bit of towing lately, probably around 2.5 to 3 ton, so I do reckon that was a contributing factor to this blowing that intercooler hose. Here is the new hose, and there is their part number. Like I said, Autobarn stock these. They're about 129 bucks, and they have them on the shelf, so you can go there, pick one up and whack it straight in if this happens to you. New pipe is now installed, done and dusted. We're back on the road in less than 1 hour since the problem occurred.